Hey y'all, guess what? It's tea time. Let's chop it up. What's on your mind? Come unwind. I know you're in the mood for some tasty food. Ring that bell. Come on in. Please don't be rude. What's up? What's up? What's up, my tea sippers? How y'all doing? What y'all doing? It's me, T, here with another tea party. We got a little Ariel from Ariel's Playhouse up in the house with us chilling. Today, y'all, what we got, Ariel?
We got Subway sandwiches.
Subway sandwiches.
And I got chips in the Happy Meal because I got a Happy Meal. Did you know they sell Happy Meals?
They have kid meals at Subway. We got dessert, cranberry, raspberry cheesecake cookies, white macadamia and chocolate cookies. White chocolate macadamia cookies, and oatmeal, of course. Oatmeal raisin.
And what I have here is barbecue chips.
I got
some
tuna this time, y'all.
I have okay. This is what I have. Welcome to Ariel's Magic Land of Food.
Oh, Magic Land of Food. Okay.
So I got a tuna sandwich with Wait, what is it called? Wait, what? Pepperonis, yeah. Pepperonis, tuna, and
all them fixings. Tuna, avocado, cucumber,
and I also got cucumber.
pepperoncinis, extra pickle, olives. My bad, baby. Tell me what you got.
I also got cucumber,
Italian cheddar, Italian herb cheddar bread. I'm sorry, baby. Tell me what you got.
I got cucumber, pepperoni, and
Keep going. They hear you.
And I also got some tuna sandwich, of course, the pepperonis and stuff. And I also got this thing. What do you think this is? I don't know what it is. I think it's stickers. Yeah, it's
That's
stickers.
what it look like.
And I also have, I don't know, I have chocolate milk. Well, I said I have chocolate
So put them on the show.
chocolate milk.
That's chocolate milk.
Mommy, how do they make chocolate milk? Like,
Barbecue lays, a little crunch. Ooh, let's open these now.
hey, I'm making
We're
a
making a
video.
video. That's my Uncle Tom, y'all.
Look at this little sandwich. Blah, 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 blah. It looks like a submarine. It's better. No. Give me my tape back.
They so bomb.
Hey. So let's get this chocolate milk right.
Italian cheddar herb bread. So good, y'all.
So let me open
Extra
this.
olive, cucumber,
Hey,
bell
I told her
pepper,
to put
a little bit of
Ariel.
red onion, spinach, lettuce, tomato, extra pickles if I didn't say that, extra salt and pepper, oil,
Oh, and I
vinegar,
got extra pickles too, right? You put it on?
white American cheese, pepperoni. Y'all let y'all know about the bell pepper.
Okay, block him out.
This my son Marcus, y'all.
Block him out.
He got the cold cut.
Block him out.
Stop, don't do your brother like that. Eat. Show him what you got, boo.
I got, I already told them.
Look at all this goodness in here, y'all.
I already told them,
I
Mommy.
got the extra tuna. Show him what you got, son. Give him some.
Cold cut.
Give him some. Wow. Give him a bite,
What
son.
you get, Ariel?
I got, tuna sandwich with pepperoni with, the pepperoni and,
It's good, y'all.
what's that thing
If
called?
you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe.
What's that thing called?
Like, share me out. Look at Ariel's sandwich, y'all. She got pepperoni on her tuna.
I got pepperoni, lettuce,
Pepperoni, extra pickles,
and
tuna,
I also got
lettuce, and
tuna
cucumber
lettuce
on
and
wheat bread.
cucumber.
Sit down and grab.
Okay. I got
How you like yours, son?
Amazing.
I had it loaded. Made it loaded. Come on, you dripping on me.
sorry.
Here, y'all. Y'all want a bite?
You get Grandma?
Yeah. You at the tea party, baby. Welcome to the tea party. So good, y'all. Fire. No, I ain't never met my son Marcus before. He was gone. Away on a little vacation. On big boy time.
No, big boy time.
But he's back. Thank God. And he's here.
It's going crazy.
And he's here to take care of his mama.
You see my shirt? Legends never die.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
Hey, they tricked
I
me.
like that. What?
Tricked me. I tried to sip it and
They didn't trick you. Safety first. Lid on it.
they tricked me. I was
Comment down below and let me know what y'all like on y'all Subway sandwich.
Guys, comment down below if you get mad because they tricked you. Don't trust stores because they trick you.
Here.
They trick you.
You want that foil to be on there. If it ain't, don't drink it. If you open something and ain't no foil on there, safety seal, do not drink it. How many of y'all like black olives? I love them. Especially on my enchiladas. I sure don't taste my avocado. I don't taste him. So what y'all doing tonight? You gotta eat some of these chips with your sandwich, boo. It's bomb. You gotta eat some of your chips with the sandwich. It's
I
bomb.
know what I've been through.
I was supposed to be going to LA, but I don't feel tight too long.
Fuck up.
Hubby left me. He burnt rubber on me and Ariel.
Wait, what percentage is probably gonna die?
So hurry.
Guys, okay.
I know. I'm gonna stay this half for later. That's what I gotta put on. I scooped that out like an oyster. So good, so good, so good, so good, so good, so good.
So good.
So good, yeah.
Bye, Marcus.
Oh, look at that tuna, y'all.
And I don't taste none of my tuna.
The pepperoni are overpowering the tuna.
And guys, go check out my channel so you can see part 2 on the Subway video, because I'm going to be opening everything and having my own mukbang by myself.
Are you firing me right now? Are you firing me right now as a co-partner?
No, I'm not firing
As a
you.
co-host?
No, I'm not firing you. I just...
Want to do something by yourself? Girl, you got a phone. That's how I be feeling. So I be want to make a video by myself too. And guess what? You just pop up out of nowhere. I be hiding, y'all. She'll find me though. She'll find me though for sure.
This is never
I
hard.
can't believe your dad left us. Today is my little cousin Malik's birthday. Happy birthday, Leek. I love you so much, handsome. He's 15. They in Vegas. I was supposed to go, but y'all know we just got back. Oh, he came back for us, boo.